Welcome to the awesome Mianoi Hangar. My name is Darren and I'm here to introduce you to one of our aviation themed coffee roasts. We're also going to be doing videos showing different ways to brew, and we'll be reviewing the products we use. We just want to show you how simple and easy it can be to make a great cup of coffee and for you to become an awesome barista. If you'd like to see the videos on our other roasts, ways to brew, and the product review, there's going to be links in the description below. But first, let me just give you a little bit of background information on Mianoi. She is a Great Lakes vintage aerobatic biplane full of fun and adventure. And one of those adventures was flying Mianoi to and above the Grand Canyon. I mean, what an amazing experience that was. But that's a whole video in itself. So let me start off by introducing you to Tantalizing Takeoff. This is a medium to dark roast. It's an organic Bali Blu with dark chocolate molasses and brown sugar. The plain Tantalizing Takeoff was the name given to a Beechcraft AT-11. The AT-11 was the standard pilot and navigator trainer for the US Air Forces in World War II. It's said that 90% of bombardiers trained in an AT-11. As a World War II trainer, it played a critical role in preparing crews for service in the B-17 Flying Fortress and the B-24 Liberator. And as you can see, our label pays homage to the nose art that was found on many World War II aircraft. We understand quality and freshness is paramount. It's the basis of a great cup of coffee. Cheers. That's an awesome cup of coffee. That's why we roast to order in small batches and ship directly to you. We appreciate the likes, subscribe to see all of our other videos, and hit the notifications button so you can know exactly when a new video comes out. Remember, it's all about the coffee, unless it's time to fly. And we got blue skies, and Mianoi is fueled up and ready to go. So literally, it's time for me to go fly.